Welcome to Uncle Steward's backyard.
To be a steward of the earth means you love the natural world. There's only one earth, and it's our home, so we need to take care of it. From the worm to the tree, all life is to be respected.
Hey, little stewards, how you doing today? I was just sitting here reading my bird book. You guys have a favorite bird? That gives me an idea. We're gonna go find my favorite bird. Follow me. There they are, guys. You see them? Let's get close. The ruby-throated hummingbird. The male has red on his throat. The female does not. Normally, any male bird is more colorful than the female, so they might lure predators away from the nest.
Rachel Carson was born in Pennsylvania in 1907. She wrote a book called Silent Spring. It was about the use of pesticides and how they were damaging our environment. She helped create the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. Here's one of her great sayings. One way to open your eyes is to ask yourself, what if I had never seen this before? What if I knew I would never see it again? Think about that, stewards.
Hey, stewards, take a seat. We're gonna make some hummingbird food. I've got all the fixings. For hummingbird food, we take 1 cup of sugar and 4 cups of water. And we mix it up really good. And I'll take this in and put it on the stove to get it all dissolved. We've got our hummingbird food made. Now we're gonna fill up a feeder. We're gonna screw on the bottom really tight. It's really important to keep your hummingbird feeder clean. So every couple of weeks you want to rinse it out. It's where their food is, and you wouldn't want to eat out of something dirty. The ruby-throated hummingbird weighs less than a nickel. The average hummingbird feeds 5 to 8 times per hour. A hummingbird's wings beat between 50 and 200 flaps per second, depending on the direction of flight. An average hummingbird's heart rate is more than 1,200 beats per minute. I'm gonna build a bird bath. It's a simple thing to do, and it provides an essential ingredient for life: water. First, I'm gonna build a stand with bricks and wood. You can use any kind of shallow basin for your bird bath. I have an old dog food bowl. I'll fill it up with water, put a big stone in it for the birds to sit on, and remember to keep it full and clean it out when it gets dirty. The birds are gonna be happy. A very good steward deed. Now this is really cool, but I've got something even cooler. This is my hummingbird hat. Now it's just a plastic hat. You could use a ball cap. Got 2 holes in it and a wire. Now on the wire, I've got 2 little feeders that I hang off the hat. I'm gonna fill them up with our hummingbird food. Now my little wire has 2 hooks on it for the feeders. There we go. And then we put the hummingbird feeder hat on. Ha ha. Now we need to go look for some hummingbirds. A hummingbird can fly 30 miles an hour and 60 miles an hour when they dive. These hummingbirds come all the way from Central America every spring. They stay until fall and then fly all the way back to Central America. That's thousands of miles. It's time for the quiz.
Do you remember? A hummingbird weighs less than a nickel or a quarter. They weigh less than a nickel. How many cups of water do you add to 1 cup of sugar for hummingbird food? 4 or 6? 4 cups of water. Where do the hummingbirds go from fall to spring? Central America or Africa? They fly down to Central America. Great job!
That was fun with our friend the ruby-throated hummingbird. And now it's time for the Steward Creed. As a steward, I vow to respect all life from the bottom of the ocean to the top of Mount Everest. Everything that's around me is part of me, and I am part of it. I am a steward, a caretaker of the earth. All right, guys, good job today. I'll see you next time.